Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Happy Independence Day, everyone out there. We will have our video today, and then we will be back on Monday as we get ready for our long weekend. And what can we expect with this long weekend? Well, tropical weather conditions and a threat for a shower or thunderstorm here and there. Not a complete washout, but I'm going to tell you which day is probably not the best day for outdoor activities. So we start off with this morning with plenty of tropical air in the region. Temperatures over the northern interior in the mid 60s to lower 70s. And everywhere else basically in the upper 60s to mid 70s. With winds that are generally light and variable. Some from the north around 5 miles per hour. And as you head down towards Cape May, more from the southwest. And visibility generally around 10 miles. We do have some lower visibility with some low fog and also a few isolated showers. And an isolated thunderstorm out here over northeastern Pennsylvania. These showers are primarily producing some very heavy downpours. That's pretty much the main theme here. When we take a look at the latest satellite picture, we have a lot of low and mid-level clouds here, just telling us that there is a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Now, if we get a little bit of lifting, like this little short wave right here, and maybe a nice little sea breeze front along the Jersey Shore, something of that nature, maybe an old outflow boundary from the thunderstorms yesterday, that will instigate a shower or thunderstorm. And those showers and thunderstorms, with all of this moisture in the atmosphere, will be capable of producing some very heavy downpours, frequent lightning. If we get a mid-level shortwave with a pool of cold air to interact with all this moisture, definitely the potential for some small hail and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour as what we call downburst wind gusts. That's when a lot of rain-cooled air in the middle of the thunderstorm basically slams to the surface like a hammer, which is not what you want when you say hammer time. So certainly something that we definitely have to keep an eye on. Not a widespread threat, but something to definitely watch and just be aware of for today, tomorrow, and really on through much of this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, we have areas of fog lifting, followed by scattered to broken cloud cover, and an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. I think the best threat for today and for tomorrow is basically from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then everything starts to collapse thereafter as we lose instability in the atmosphere. Temperatures today will rise into the mid-80s to lower 90s throughout the region. Best potential for lower 90s will be in the Delaware River Valley for really much of this forecast period. For tonight, again, an isolated shower or thunderstorm will linger, followed by areas of low clouds and some fog. Lows tomorrow morning in the upper 60s to lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, 4th of July, of course, watch out for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, otherwise scattered cloud cover. That rainfall threat will dissipate by the time you get ready for your fireworks in the evening, let's say 8:30, 9 o'clock. Temperatures tomorrow range from the mid-80s to lower 90s. For Friday, pretty much the same scenario as what we saw for tomorrow and for today, with a threat for some fog in the morning, isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. A few lower 80s along Long Island. Now on Saturday, we get a stronger cold front and more organized cold front to move through. And this cold front is going to produce more scattered showers and thunderstorms. So I bet you can guess which day you probably don't want to have your barbecue or outdoor activities. It's going to be Saturday with a high threat for showers and thunderstorms throughout the region. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. So if you have to pick a day where you don't want to have plans, it's going to be Saturday. On Sunday, that cold front exits, still an isolated shower or thunderstorm hanging around the region, but for the most part scattered cloud cover, lower humidity as well, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the mid 70s to lower 80s. On Monday, high pressure and complete control, naturally now that you head back to work, with clear skies expected, lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the upper 70s to mid 80s. On Tuesday, high pressure remains in place with scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper 50s to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to mid 80s. And on Wednesday, high pressure starts to exit the region. Watch out for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s and highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, Stay safe out there.